हेलो एंड वेलकम टू येट अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ वीकेंड आउट। माय नेम इज गौरव। नाम तो सुना होगा। देखिए, एक बात आई डोंट नो आपने रियलाइज की है कि नहीं की है कि लाइफ में कार्टून्स आर अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट when it comes to entertainment. जैसे कि we grew up watching cartoons on television. उसके बाद when we grew up a little more, we saw a lot of them in school. And ultimately when you start working, you see a lot of them in your office. But the real fun of cartoons is with the cartoons that you grew up watching, right? Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, all these legendary characters. And if you were lucky, then you wouldn't have missed this spectacular event that happened in Dubai. It was called Disney on Ice, Rocking Ever After. Fairy tale, fun, magic. It's time to relive your childhood fantasies once again. For the first time ever, Disney on Ice entertained Dubai with a new story told through the artistry of ice skating.
Disney on Ice is the largest family entertainment brand in the world. So for us, it's a wonderful opportunity, a great experience to be able to bring the show and let children in the Middle East and all over the region to experience it for the very first time. This show, which is Disney on Ice, Rockin' Ever After, is the latest production in the Disney on Ice series. It has been touring the United States for over 2 years and it's just left the USA on its way to Europe. But we've been able to be very lucky to get it to Dubai before it gets to the rest of Europe. So the children over here will have an opportunity to see it before anybody else does.
Now, putting up this spectacular show was no easy feat. It took them 48,000 liters of water to create the ice rink at the World Trade Center. It's one of the leading family entertainment concepts in the world, with more than 30 million people watching it every year across 75 countries. Of the various versions of the show, Rocking Ever After was selected for Dubai, which featured stories, songs and characters from Disney films including The Little Mermaid, Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse and Donald Duck.
What we've done is we've taken 4 of the classic Disney movies and we've kind of brought them a little bit to the year 2014. We've taken the original soundtracks and given them a little more upbeat tone, some more instruments. We got amazing, beautiful costumes and a lot of special effects, special lighting, pyrotechnics, and a lot of surprises for the audience that I'm not going to give away.
Rocking Ever After is one of 9 different Disney on Ice experiences owned by the Walt Disney Company and uses around 100 performers and production crew. They featured exciting acts and magical Disney stories told like never before in a brand new ice spectacular. Music, dance, comedy and drama. Rocking Ever After is a story where your favorite characters get wacky, adventurous and become action heroes to compete to be the next superstar.
We're so excited to come here and we've been to Magic Kingdom in Florida, so we're so excited to see all the characters.
It's just so nice to be able to come and watch something as a family.
Disney surely knows how to create an unforgettable and wonderful experience for kids and grown-ups alike. अब डिज्नी कैरेक्टर्स की बात चली रही है तो आपको एक फेमस सिंड्रेला लाइन याद होगी कि one shoe can change your life. Well, something like this happened in Dubai as well, where one shoe would change your, well, if not life, at least your wardrobe. And this shoe would have to be from the Nine West collection. They launched their fall collection just recently. Check it out. Nine West welcomes fall with an edgy new collection. This season's look stays true to Nine West's mantra of value, versatility, accessibility and ease, whilst always delivering on quality on the pulse of fashionable accessories.
Nine West, I believe, is a brand for all women. We have every kind of shoe and accessories to match up with for every occasion. That's what Nine West is. It's a global brand and a very, very important brand for the group, apparel group. So it's a brand that we are always excited about. Every single day that we operate, we go to a mall, we have a store. That is Nine West.
With inspiration from the Gatsbyan era, characteristic grandeur, the thick-heeled ankle boots and thin-strapped pumps with antique gold leathers and tasseled embellishments add that much-needed little drama to your wardrobe. Feminine floral prints and pearl accents are a subtle throwback to the 1920s extravagance.
I love the collection. There's so much variety to it, right from animal, prints, furs, studs, everything is in. Like nothing seems to be going out of fashion as such. So, I pretty like the collection and it's quite versatile and can suit many people's tastes.
The most thing that I like is the shoes, which is in leopard color, at least, as well as the animal printed bags and shades like that. It's amazing. It's wonderful.
It's time for us to take a short break, but when you come back after the break, there's lots lined up, from somebody winning 1 million dirhams to a brand new energy drink launch.